In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Figma. If you've been working on a shared computer, switching accounts, or just wrapping up your session for the day, logging out is quick and helps keep your work secure. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so nothing gets lost along the way. First, open your web browser and go to figma.com. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your Files or Recents page. Give the page a second to load fully so everything syncs. Figma saves your work automatically to the cloud, but it's always a good habit to glance at the top of the page and make sure there are no pending sync indicators before you sign out. Now, when you're ready to log out, look to the top left of the Figma interface. You should see your profile name there. Depending on your window size, this might show as your full name, your initials, or a small profile image. If your sidebar is collapsed or the window is narrow, expand it or widen the window so that the profile area becomes visible. Clicking your name opens a small account menu, which is where the sign out option lives. Go ahead and click your profile name at the top left. A drop-down menu will appear with account-related options. In that menu, look for Logout. It's typically near the bottom of the list. Click Logout, and Figma will end your current session and return you to the sign-in screen. That's it, you're signed out. A few quick notes to keep things smooth. If you had multiple Figma tabs open, they may show a prompt to sign in again or refresh after you log out. A quick page reload will update them. If you use the Figma desktop app, the flow is very similar. Access your account menu from the same general area and choose Logout. And if you're on a shared device, it's a good idea to close the browser when you're done to prevent someone from reopening your session. When you want to sign back in later, just return to figma.com and enter your usual credentials. If you work across multiple accounts, logging out ensures you can cleanly switch without confusion the next time you sign in. To recap the flow you just learned, go to figma.com, click your profile name at the top left and choose Logout. Simple, secure, and done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently log out of your Figma account whenever you need.